To change your page name on Facebook, open your Facebook app, and then at the top right hand corner, you're going to see your profile picture, which leads you to the settings section. But sometimes you might find it at the bottom of your account, so whichever position it is, try and locate it. So mine is at the top right hand corner. I'll tap on it. So here you're going to see the pages you manage. You simply go ahead and tap on pages to see the pages you manage and select the page you want to change its name. So let's tap on pages, and then I will tap the page I want to change its name. So it will ask me to switch to the page, so I'll go ahead and tap on switch. Now I'm already in the page. So at the top again, I'm going to locate the profile picture of this very page and tap on it so as to take me to the settings. Now scroll down again and get to the option settings and privacy. Tap on it. So you tap on settings again, and when it opens up, you scroll down a bit. You're going to see the option audience and visibility. Under audience and visibility, you see page setup. Tap on it. Then you see the name of the page. Tap on it. So here you have the option to change the name of the page, but know that if you change the name of the page, you can't change it again for 60 days. So be sure that you're taking the right decision. Be sure that you're ready to change the page name, and be sure that you have the correct name in mind and input the correct name when changing it. So I'll go ahead and tap on the name section in order to change it. I just want to add a little touch on the name. Alright, so at the bottom you're going to see the option review change. So you tap on it, and then you go ahead and tap on submit for approval. If you are sure that this is what you want, you tap on submit for approval, and then I'm asked to check my WhatsApp messages so that I will receive a code, because before I change the name of a page, Facebook needs to confirm that it is me actually trying to change it in order to keep the account safe and free from scammers or intruders. So a code will be sent to my WhatsApp account. I'll simply open the WhatsApp, get the code, and tap on continue. So I have the code sent to me, which is 975249. So let's put it 975249, then tap on continue. Okay, so it says your name will be updated automatically if approved. So you simply wait, and if the name change is approved, it will be automatically updated. So you just be checking the page at intervals to see if the name change has reflected. If you got value in this video, do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out of my next video. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next content. Later.